Hi, thanks for being in a new video. This time let me tell you what I liked most and least about the little M6 after testing it, in case you are considering buying it. So, as always, let me tell you, don't buy the little M6 without watching this video. Let's consider its launch price, which in Mexico has been 2,999 pesos. In fact, you can already find it even cheaper, so we can forgive it some weak points perhaps. Remember that the full video review is available because this will be a summary. Let's start with what I like the most. The screen is large and has full HD resolution, unlike others in the price range that have HD resolution nothing more, and comes complemented with 90% Hz for a good refresh rate. The 13 megapixel front camera was positive even in low light conditions, and the 108 megapixel rear camera also takes good pictures at a good level. The back is extremely detailed, providing a 3x zoom via a cutout within the sensor, and the outcome is quite impressive considering the price range. It comes equipped with Android 14 and HyperOS, offering a high level of customization. Although the system might still display ads and similar content, I believe it is maturing nicely. The battery, with a capacity of 5000 mAh, delivers a good duration based on my tests. Additionally, the included 33 watts charger is superior compared to what most competitors provide in the price range. The MediaTek Helio G91 Ultra processor in conjunction with 6 or 8 GB of RAM give good enough and remarkable performance for the price range. It also has infrared headphone jack, NFC, and also a physical proximity sensor. So for a low end, the truth is that it comes very complete. Now let me tell you what I didn't like. The back can get very smudged with your fingerprints. Although if you use a case, this practically does not count. But on the side of the phone, you can see a lot of fingerprints. On the front of this device, we won't find Gorilla Glass for protection. The IPS screen doesn't provide us with intense colors or anything particularly attractive at the display level. And the maximum brightness isn't very high either. Additionally, this device does not have stereo sound, and the sound quality is not very impressive. However, if you manage to find the Infinix Hot 50 Pro at a promotional price, it might be worth considering because it offers a better display and sound experience. Additionally, we are only going to find a single microphone, which means it doesn't provide us with anything particularly advanced. The video recording capability is limited to Full HD at 30 frames per second, and it lacks any stabilization, so the quality remains quite basic. Lastly, there is no clear update policy, leaving us without assurance of future improvements. However, overall, considering it is a low-end device, I believe it is among the best options we will come across. If you've already purchased it, please share your thoughts in the comments below. For now, we've come to the conclusion of this video. If you enjoyed it, you know you can let me know, and we'll catch up with you next time.